Hi, hello, good morning. Welcome to today's session. So, as I promised in the last week, every Friday I would like to discuss the open book assessment question paper forwarded to you. So, in this particular week, I would like to discuss the question paper that is open book assessment number 2, which was assigned on 31/7/2020 from the chapter Power Sharing Political Science part. So the first question is, which of the following is an example of horizontal sharing of power? Options are power sharing between different states, power sharing between different organs of the government, power sharing between different levels of the government, power sharing between different political parties. So among these four different options, the correct answer to the question is A, option A, power sharing between different states. Then question number 2, who elects the community government in Belgium? People belonging to one language community only. Option 2, option B, by the leaders of Belgium. Option C, the citizens of the whole country. Option D, the community leaders of Belgium. Here the correct option to the question is community government is going to be formed by the community leaders of Belgium. Then question number 3, the community government signifies the power of government regarding community development, the powers of the government regarding law making for the community, the powers of the government regarding cultural, educational and language related issues. The government enjoys privileges to safeguard the interests of particular community. So the correct answer to the question is option C, the powers of the government regarding cultural, educational and language related issues. Question number 4, the word ethnic signifies different religions, social divisions on shared culture, a violent conflict between opposite groups, a careful calculation of gains and losses. The correct option to the question is option B, that is social division on shared culture. Then question number 5, power sharing is the very spirit of democracy, separation of power at different level, system of checks and balances, a type of balancing powers. The correct answer is option A very spirit of democracy. Question number 6, Sinhala was recognized as the only official language by the Sinhala community. Then question number 7, the government for the entire country is usually called as. The government for the entire country is usually called as union government, central government. Question number 8, a belief that the majority community should be able to rule country in whichever way they want by disregarding the wishes and needs of minority is known as. A belief that the majority community should be able to rule country in whichever the way they want by disregarding the wishes and needs of minority is known as majoritarianism, which was followed in Sri Lanka. Question number 9, dash is referred to as social division based on culture and language. Dash is referred as social division based on culture and language, that is community. Question number 10, community government is a very specific type of government in particular in Belgium. Question number 11, dash was amended 4 times between 1970 and 1993. That is Belgium constitution was mainly amended 4 times. Then question number 12, power sharing is the distribution of power at only one level of government. It is false. It is going to be distributed even different levels of government. Question number 13, power sharing arrangement among the different organs of the government is known as horizontal sharing. It's true. Question number 14, which two languages are generally spoken in Belgium? One is German, another one is French. Then question number 15. Which social group constituted the largest share in population of Sri Lanka? Largest share, that is Sinhala community. So after discussing this open book assessment number 2, 15 different questions from the chapter power sharing. So I would like to end today's session, and from next session let us continue as usual from the chapter which we were discussing.